Ever wondered why that morning cup of Java jolts some people awake, while others could drink a pot of coffee and still crave a nap? It's all about how our bodies react to caffeine, a natural stimulant that affects the central nervous system, accelerates the heart rate, and can even increase blood pressure. Caffeine's journey begins in the liver, the body's detoxification hub. Here, enzymes, specifically from the cytochrome P450 family, get to work. The star player, an enzyme encoded by the CYP1A2 gene. This enzyme's job is to break down caffeine, preparing it for elimination from the body. The speed and efficiency of this process vary from person to person, thanks to our unique genetic makeup. Some individuals possess a version of the CYP1A2 gene that produces an enzyme that metabolizes caffeine rapidly. These fast metabolizers can drink caffeine in larger quantities without feeling its effects as intensely. But that's not the end of the story. Enter the ADORA2A gene, which encodes for the Adenosine A2A receptor. This receptor, found abundantly in the brain's basal ganglia, is like a cozy chair for adenosine, a substance that induces feelings of sleepiness and calm. When caffeine makes its grand entry, it goes head-to-head with adenosine in a battle for the prized armchair, the Adenosine A2A receptor. Caffeine employs its unique molecular structure to hoodwink the receptor into accepting it as adenosine. Once it nestles into the A2A receptor, caffeine acts as a barrier, preventing adenosine from carrying out its snooze-inducing effects. This blockage disrupts the natural sleep-promoting function of adenosine, and as a result, we experience a heightened sense of alertness and sharpened focus. However, this caffeine-induced vigilance is not a universal experience. It has a lot to do with our unique genetic makeup. In some individuals, the liver enzyme CYP1A2, which is responsible for metabolizing caffeine, is produced in greater quantities. These people can break down caffeine faster, reducing its stimulating effects. Additionally, variations in the genes ADORA2A and PDSS2 impact how densely the adenosine receptors populate the brain and how readily they bind to caffeine, respectively. This genetic diversity means that how quickly caffeine is processed and the degree to which it impacts alertness and focus can vary greatly among individuals. Thus, the magical brew of coffee may cause one person to feel wired, while barely causing a flutter in another. However, some of us carry genetic variants in the ADORA2A gene that make us more sensitive to caffeine. For these individuals, consuming caffeine can lead to feelings of anxiety and difficulty falling asleep. So the next time you're sipping your morning brew or reaching for that afternoon pick-me-up, remember, your reaction to caffeine isn't just about how much you drink, but also about your unique genetic blueprint. Whether you're a fast metabolizer breezing through a pot of coffee or someone who gets jittery from a single cup, your genes play a significant role. Caffeine sensitivity isn't a one-size-fits-all scenario. It's a complex interplay of genetics and metabolism, and that's the beauty of it. It's as unique as you are.